So here's the deal. I've been struggling to get back into exercising ever since I pulled my back. But my friend recommended me this book, Wall Pilates for Seniors, to help ease me back into exercising. And let me show you, I am so glad that I listened to her. Can we talk about how unintimidating this book is? First off, when I opened it, I didn't get the usual like, oh, this is going to be too hard for me to kick off kind of feeling. And everything was super easy to read. The illustrations are super clear. The print is super large on this book. And then the coolest part also is not only does it have the clear drawings, the large font, but it has videos basically at your fingertips. Each exercise has a QR code that takes you right to a video. No registering, no putting in your email. It takes you right to the video to show you exactly how to do those exercises. Talk, whether you're recovering from an injury like me, need something to just get started again, or want something that is not overwhelming, this book gets it. It's like having a super supportive friend right there with you, making sure you feel confident and comfortable along the way. So first impressions, I would definitely recommend this book.